This video is about installing SPSS for University of Twente students. By now you know that researchers pose questions, have theories, have research designs in order to arrive at answers. But a very important step in between is data collection and data analysis. And especially in the context of data analysis, you want to use software. And the tool you will use is SPSS. Data collection and data analysis yield, or the data collection yields, a data matrix. And in that data matrix we've got units here, units of observation, and variables here. So every column is a variable and every row is a unit of observation. And computer programs can easily handle this type of data. For example, if you want to compute a mean of a variable. Computer programs are also very useful for data visualization. If you want to report your data, you want to make, for example, histograms or bar charts or pie charts or scatter plots. And the way to do that is by using software. So you then transform your data matrix into nice visualizations. And you can do that in SPSS. Now, go to the Notebook Service Center. Don't use a free trial version. Go to the Notebook Service Center. This is the address here, and install an official version of SPSS, not a trial version. That's very important because otherwise you can't handle all types of data we will give in this course. The good thing is it will be free for you. It won't be free when you leave after you leave the university, but when you're at the university you can use SPSS for free. Then go to Software Distribution. Here is the address. Fill in your name so we can identify you as a student from the university. Go to Data Management. Select one of the versions of SPSS. Here are 3 of them currently. Maybe that will change in the near future. You will probably see a few. Version is not important unless we tell you otherwise in the course. If you click on one of the programs, you will get a screen like this where you can download the materials, but you can also download a manual for downloading, not for the program, but for downloading the program. Here you see what happens if you start downloading the program. Now, download also the installation manual. I say this once, no, I say it yet another time. Download the installation manual. Do not think this is simply installing software and it works, because it doesn't. The program has to identify you as a university student all the time, which means that you need VPN and you need to fill in some kind of license code. If you don't do that, and it's explained in the manual, if you don't do that, the program won't work. And every year about 15% of the students ignore this most of the time because they think installing a software program is easy. Read the manual, please, this is the 3rd time. Read the manual, there's 4. And then you will see that you need a license code. It's a kind of, I'll show you what it looks like. Here you type in the license code, always use VPN, and that looks a bit like this at the bottom, spss.license.utwente.nl. You have to type that in somewhere, and the manual, which you have to download and read, will help you guide through that process. Okay. If you follow these instructions, it's very easy to install SPSS, but if you ignore the manual, which you have to download, then it goes wrong. We won't answer questions about this because it's pretty easy, but do it, download the manual. Bye-bye.